Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract wealth and success, while others struggle just to make ends meet? It's not luck or coincidence, it all comes down to the power of beliefs. Today, we will explore the fascinating psychology of money and how our beliefs shape our financial decisions, all in under 10 minutes. If you're a young man who's ready to take control of your financial future, get ready to discover the secrets to unlocking unlimited wealth and abundance in your life. Our beliefs about money are shaped by our upbringing, our experiences, and the messages we receive from society. Many of us are brought up with certain beliefs about money, such as, money doesn't grow on trees, or, the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. These beliefs can have a profound impact on our financial decisions, both positive and negative. For instance, if you were brought up with the belief that money is scarce and hard to come by, you may be more likely to hoard money and avoid taking risks. On the other hand, if you were brought up with the belief that money is abundant and can be used to create more wealth, you may be more likely to invest in opportunities and take calculated risks. Our beliefs can also influence our spending habits. If we believe that money is the key to happiness, we may spend more than we can afford in an attempt to buy happiness. On the other hand, if we believe that happiness comes from within and that material possessions are temporary, we may be more likely to save and invest our money for long-term growth. It's important to recognize that our beliefs about money are not necessarily based on reality. In fact, many of our beliefs are rooted in fear, scarcity, and a lack of understanding about how money works. By challenging our beliefs and learning more about money, we can create a more positive and empowering relationship with money, which can lead to greater financial success. Now that we understand the power of our beliefs when it comes to money, let's explore the mindset of the wealthy. The mindset of the wealthy is one of the most critical factors that set them apart from those who struggle financially. They have a different way of thinking about money and wealth that enables them to create and grow their wealth continually. Let's take a closer look at some of the mindset traits of the wealthy when it comes to money. Abundance mentality. Wealthy people have an abundance mentality when it comes to money. They believe that there is an unlimited amount of wealth available in the world, and that by creating value and contributing to society, they can tap into that wealth. They don't see money as a limited resource, but rather a tool to create more abundance. Long-term thinking. The wealthy also tend to think long-term when it comes to their finances. They focus on creating sustainable wealth and investments that will continue to grow over time. They are willing to delay gratification and make short-term sacrifices for long-term gain. Risk-taking. Successful people also tend to be more comfortable taking risks than those who struggle financially. They understand that taking calculated risks is necessary to achieve significant returns, and they are willing to take on risk when the potential reward is high. Entrepreneurial mindset. Entrepreneurial mindset is another key characteristic of the wealthy. They see themselves as creators, innovators, and problem solvers. They are always looking for new opportunities to create value and generate wealth. Continuous learning. Finally, the wealthy are always learning and growing. They understand that knowledge is power and that learning new skills and strategies is essential to achieving their financial goals. They read books, attend seminars, and seek out mentors to continually expand their knowledge and expertise. By adopting these mindset traits, you too can start to develop the mindset of the wealthy and create the foundation for financial success. Remember, wealth creation starts with a state of mind, and developing a wealthy mindset is the key to unlocking your financial potential. But how can we develop this mindset for ourselves? Well, that's where overcoming limiting beliefs comes in. The first step towards overcoming limiting beliefs is to identify them. Limiting beliefs are often deeply ingrained in our subconscious minds, and we may not even be aware that we hold them. One way to identify limiting beliefs is to pay attention to the thoughts and feelings that arise when you think about money or financial success. Do you feel anxious, scared, or overwhelmed? Do you have a voice in your head that tells you that you're not good enough, or that you'll never be rich? These are all signs of limiting beliefs. Once you've identified your limiting beliefs, it's important to challenge them. Ask yourself questions like, is this belief really true? Where did this belief come from? Is there any evidence to support this belief? Often, we find that our limiting beliefs are based on false assumptions or outdated information. By questioning these beliefs, we can start to break free from them. Once you've challenged your limiting beliefs, it's time to replace them with more positive and empowering beliefs. This could involve affirmations, visualization, or simply reframing the way you think about money. For example, instead of thinking, money is the root of all evil, you could reframe this belief as, money is a powerful tool that can be used for good or bad. It all depends on how it's used. Finally, it's important to cultivate a growth mindset when it comes to money. This means believing that you can learn and grow, even in the face of challenges or setbacks. It also means being willing to take risks and try new things, rather than staying in your comfort zone. By adopting a growth mindset, you'll be more open to new opportunities and more resilient in the face of adversity. By overcoming limiting beliefs and cultivating a growth mindset, you can break free from the mental barriers that are holding you back from financial success. Remember, your beliefs shape your reality, so choose them wisely. Once we've identified and addressed our limiting beliefs about money, it's time to take action towards our financial goals. This involves setting clear and measurable goals, and creating a plan to achieve them. Ready to take your financial success to the next level? Here's what you need to do. Learn new skills. One of the most important things we can do to improve our financial situation is to continuously learn and improve our skills. This could involve taking courses, attending workshops or seminars, or reading books on personal finance and investing. The more knowledge and skills we have, the more opportunities we'll have to make money. Invest in ourselves. Investing in ourselves is a critical part of achieving financial success. This could involve taking care of our physical and mental health, building strong relationships, and developing our personal brand. By investing in ourselves, we become more valuable and attractive to others, which can lead to more opportunities and financial success. Take calculated risks. Building wealth often involves taking risks, but it's important to be strategic about it. We should always weigh the potential risks and rewards before making any investment or business decision. This could involve starting a side hustle, investing in stocks or real estate, or starting a business. By taking calculated risks, we can increase our chances of achieving financial success. Save and invest wisely. Finally, it's important to save and invest wisely. This means creating a budget, living within our means, and investing in a diversified portfolio of assets. We should also consider working with a financial advisor or investment professional to help us make smart investment decisions. So there you have it, the psychology of money and how our beliefs impact our financial decisions. Remember, if you want to achieve financial success, it all starts with your mindset. Challenge your limiting beliefs, adopt a positive mindset towards money, and take action towards your goals. With a little bit of effort and perseverance, anything is possible. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends. Until next time, keep learning, stay grinding, and stay committed to becoming Mr. Dollarsmith.